Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching first time, you can do subscribe my channel. Okay, here why my channel you want to subscribe means here you can get the each and every question solution from SSC textbook of 7th class. Okay, see second question continuation. Observe the following tables and find if x is directly proportional. Okay, here we can make x by y. X is directly proportional means x by y is constant you will get. So we should write x divided by y means 20 by 40. 20 ones are 20 twos are 17 ones are 17 twos are 14 ones are 14 twos are 11 ones are 11 twos are 8 ones are 8 twos are 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 twos are. See, 1 by 2 in every case, in each and every case you got the answer 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2. So constant x by y is constant, so here we can say x is directly proportional to y. See the second case. Here you can use two table. 2 3s are 2 2s are means 3 by 2. 2 5s are 2 4s are 5 by 4. Okay, next you can use 14 by 12. Is there any common table? 3 table? No. 14 you cannot get, so we can not take any table here. 8 table, 9 table, 9 2s are 18, here 16 is there, we cannot take. 4 table we can use. Here 22 by 20, 2 table we can use. 2 11s are 2 10s are. Okay, here 2 9s are 2 8s are. Here 2 7s are 2 6s are. Here 2 13s are 2 12s are. 2 15s are 2 14s are. Okay, now see, in each and every case you got different constant. Not all constants are same. Here 3 by 2, here 5 by 4, here 7 by 6, here 9 by 8, here 11 by 10, 13 by 12, 15 by 14 you got. All cases all different you got. So here x is not directly proportional to y. X is indirectly proportional to y here. Here x is directly proportional to y. Now here you can check it. 5 ones are 5 threes are. Okay, 8 ones are 8 threes are. 12 ones are 12 threes are. 15 ones are 15 ones. 15 fives are, once you can check it, 15 fours are 20 60. 15 fours are here. Next, like that only you can do the cancellation. Okay, here 0 0 cancel. 2 ones are 2 fives are. 1 by 5, here 1 by 4, here 1 by 3. In this case also 5s are. So in this case also each and every case you are getting different. So x is indirectly proportional to y. Okay, next here third question. Sushma has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. She drives on a road for 72 kilometer. What would be her distance covered in the map? Yeah, she is driving in the map only, not real. See, Sushma road map, scale of 1 centimeter representing, scale 1 centimeter representing, third one 1 centimeter scale representing 18 kilometers. That is the given in the question. She drives on a road for 72 kilometer. What would be her distance covered in the map? If she will drive 72 kilometers, how much distance it will cover in the map? Here also you can use rule of proportion. Okay, so 1 is to 18 is as 1 is to 18 is as, let us take unknown value x 72. Okay, product of means is equals to product of extremes by the rule of proportion. Now product of means is equal to product of extremes. Now x is equal to, take the transpose of multiplication, division. Okay, x is equals to, now you can with truth table, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 9 4s are 36, 4 centimeters. If she will drive 72 kilometers, on the map it will shows 4 centimeters. She covered the distance. I hope you understood. Thank you.